So hello everyone, this is my first YouTube channel. So I'll just tell you a little glimpse about who am I, what I do, and what is the main motive behind starting this channel, or what is the main motive I'm here for. So hello everyone, my name is Muskan and I have been preparing for the CLAT examination the last year, and unfortunately I failed in those attempts. So giving CLAT was the only motive was to get into the best law colleges or the colleges that I always admired. So that is the different part of the story. Today's motive is something different, where I'll be telling you how an unexpected thing became a part of my life, my journey, and my coping up with the CLAT, stress, anxiety, etc. So I was a dropper this year, the last year basically, and the last year I had also given the CLAT examination, and the CLAT examination last to last year happened in CLAT 2023. So I gave my CLAT paper in 2023, waited for my results for about 2 to 3 months. Before joining the college, I was uncertain regarding my result, whether I'll be making it into the top colleges or not. So that phase was very traumatizing for me. So this year as a dropper, I learned a lot of thing like what I should do, what will I do if I could not make it. So this year I realized that after giving my CLAT examination, the 6 months that I get before starting of my college, no matter I make it into the college or not, which I always desired, I thought that I would do something productively. And that's how I did something that I love but never took seriously. That was designing. So I got enrolled into a course where I learned graphic designing, started upskilling myself. So that was in the month of January, February, March. And then in the month of April, I started approaching people, and that's how I made it to one digital agency. And the main motive to join that agency was not, of course, not to make money, but to learn the skill and to start off something of my own. So I worked there for about 1 month, and then opportunities started coming up. I joined another agency, I worked for them, and eventually I learned. I learned how to upskill myself, the softwares that I need. I learned the softwares that was needed, and I learned how to approach the client, how to build your own credibility, how to build your portfolio. So these are the things, certain things that I learned through that journey. And I feel that if CLAT happened to me, I guess I would not learn all these things. So CLAT didn't work out for me, but designing was something that gave me independence. Not just independence, it told me how to approach people, how to convince them, how to build your own credibility, and so on. So the main motive to make the video today is just to tell you it's okay if exams are not working out for you, even if you have worked a lot hard. I feel that everybody works hard. There are days in life where you cannot make or you could not make it, but there are doors, always unexpected doors, that you would have to open eventually. For me, that was designing. Beside law, I had never thought I would be doing something else, and that's how designing became a part of me, and I love doing designing these days. I'm presently starting to building my own credibility, as I'm working as a freelancer. I'm approaching people, I'm learning their views and how to grow myself, and presently my main focus is building my own credibility over LinkedIn. So yes, most of you people could tell that she could not clear the exam, or she could not get what she always admired to. That is why she is here to make this video. But to be honest, the main motive is just to let you know the part of my story about my failures, because I'm not here to just put up the good things, the good part about my life, but also the bad aspects of my life. And yeah, it's like documenting your life, so that after 2 to 3 years, when you come back here and you look at yourself and you see a different person there, so that will give a little happiness about that you came a long way. So yeah, always remember, if you are failing in any exam, that is not the end of the world. There are more important things in life that you will do. And yes, if you are giving an exam, work hard to it. Like there are situation people, I have my friends, and I have heard people that this exam is very important for me. Yes, exams are important for you, but what matters is you give your hard work and still you could not make it, then there are things waiting for you lined up. So yes, that was a short glimpse about my story, my little bit about myself. so that in coming videos I'll be making up about why I choose CLAT, why I chose law, and which college I am into, and how designing became a part of me. And that's all for the videos. And please comment down below, like how you liked the little glimpse about my life. And yes, I would also love to hear the part of your story that you could not tell anybody, so you can just drop down in the comment section, so people, most of you people who could not tell this to anybody, we can hear your stories and we can heal each other. And yes, we can stay connected. I'll be reading all your comments, whether positive, whether negative, about how you feel about my views, because I'm not just here to give my views, I'm here to take your views also. So yes, that's all for today. I'll be waiting down for the comments. Don't forget to miss that. So yes, that's all for my videos. I'll be coming for the next videos. I'll be deciding the topic later on, because I have a lot of things in mind regarding, I told you the topics. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye, goodbye.